How to become a billionaire from Dogecoin. Cryptocurrency prices have been reaching new heights over the past few weeks, and many investors are trying to get in on the action. Well, investing in crypto can potentially be lucrative, especially if you invest at the right time. For instance, if you had invested $1,000 in Bitcoin a decade ago, you would have more than $15 million today, assuming you held your investments and didn't sell during that time period. Now, that begs the question, is it actually possible to become a millionaire with the meme cryptocurrency Dogecoin? And if so, how? Hi, welcome to Crypto Doge News, where we publish the most up-to-date cryptocurrency news every single day. But before we go any further, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. Now, let's get right into it. Investing in the right cryptocurrencies at the right time is a game-changing move. That's because blockchain technology is revolutionizing the financial sector in unprecedented ways. Crypto assets like Bitcoin have not only surged significantly in value over the years, but are also used as a hedge against inflation. Many investors consider cryptocurrencies a viable alternative to traditional investment solutions due to their incredible returns, liquidity, independence, and many more factors. While allocating a portion of one's investment portfolio to digital assets indeed has a series of benefits. However, keep in mind that cryptocurrencies are extremely volatile by nature. Cryptocurrency investments are risky, just like any other investment with a significantly high return, and Dogecoin is no exception. Yes, Dogecoin did start as a meme cryptocurrency, but now it's surely one of the leading ones. Even when the digital asset has jumped substantially in recent months, some reasons indicate that it is a strong investment and Dogecoin's price could experience huge growth in the near future. What better way to make money than investing now? Long-term crypto investing, or hodling, as it's sometimes known, is one of the best strategies when investing in Dogecoin. The idea is to buy Doge when the price is low, hold it, and wait for the price to grow, at which point you'll convert it into cash. However, in order to minimize the risk of making a loss on your investments, it's important that you put the effort into gaining knowledge and confidence when choosing to put your money into Dogecoin. You should make use of the endless available online resources to keep yourself informed before you invest your capital. Still not convinced? Well, there are numerous other reasons to justify why investing in Dogecoin is a good idea and can make you a millionaire along the way. Thanks to the wide variety of trading sites, exchanges, and online brokerages around the world, Dogecoin is possibly one of the most popular cryptocurrencies to invest in right now. With extremely low rates, you can conveniently exchange Doge for cash or other cryptocurrencies, or even use it to pay for goods and services. Dogecoin is now being accepted as a legitimate currency by several companies. In early March, the owner of the Dallas Mavericks, Mark Cuban, announced that they would begin accepting Dogecoin payments for tickets and fan merchandise online. Adding to the acceptance of Dogecoin, cryptocurrency ATM provider CoinFlip also announced that the currency would be available for purchase at 1,800 ATMs throughout 46 states. Moreover, retailers that accept Dogecoin for payment are also growing. The luxury hotel group, the Kessler Collection, recently announced that it would accept Dogecoin for payment at its hotels through a partnership with BitPay. The Kessler Collection owns the Beaver Creek Lodge, Casa Monaco Resort and Spa, Elliott Park Hotel, Grand Bohemian Hotel Asheville, Grand Bohemian Hotel Charlotte, Grand Bohemian Greenville coming in November 2021, Mansion on Forsyth Park, and JW Marriott Savannah Plant Riverside District. So you can basically travel across the US and pay in Doge. It's pretty incredible for the currency that's been deemed a meme by the likes of Warren Buffett, who thinks people shouldn't invest in it. Well, Dogecoin did start as a joke to demonstrate how individuals invest in cryptocurrencies without completely understanding them. This implies that, unlike Ethereum and IOTA, the asset has no goals to achieve. It doesn't have a white paper, a full-time development team, an executive board, or any other fundamentals whatsoever. Apparently, the founders never even expected Dogecoin to amount to much. However, along the way, the joke backfired. The Dogecoin soared against many people's expectations. From trading as a fraction of a dollar, Dogecoin has grown to become one of the most valuable digital assets. The joke Dogecoin crypto has grown by more than 14,000% this year and almost touched $80 billion in market capitalization, more than Dell's, a company with over 160,000 employees. So, is it a good long-term investment? Well, let's break this down for you. Assume you bought Dogecoin Doge 5 years ago, let's say May 4th, 2016, when it was trading at 0.000227. Recently, Doge went as high as 69 cents. That's almost a 304,000% increase in just 5 years. Obviously, you wouldn't spend a fraction of a cent to buy crypto for a long-term investment, so let's raise the figures just a little bit. If you had spent just $10 that same day, you would have roughly 44,050 Dogecoins, which would be worth over $30,300 today. Now, let's say you put in $100. That would be 440,500 Doge, which is worth over $303,000 based on the 69-cent rate. So if you were a bit daring and put in $500, it would be valued at over $1.2 million today. Take Glauber Soto, for example. On February 5th, Soto invested $180,000 on Dogecoin. In just about 69 days, his initial investment had grown to almost $2 million. To put it into perspective, when he was investing in this cryptocurrency, the Dogecoin price was about 0.045 cents. But in 69 days, the price went up to 45 cents. Well, indeed a great return. So as you can see, Dogecoin's a great long-term investment if you're brave enough. Could be a millionaire in a matter of a few years. Whether or not you want to buy Dogecoin depends on your investment goals. However, if you are actively into cryptocurrencies and looking for new coins to try, Dogecoin is definitely worth a spot on your portfolio. So if you feel that you're prepared and have learned as much as you need to about investing in Dogecoin, now may be the time to invest in. As mentioned earlier, Dogecoin recently reached its all-time high and it is predicted to be on an extended bull run. This may be your opportunity to shine and get in early. If you've already decided to invest in cryptocurrencies, you should definitely consider Dogecoin. Experts believe that the value of Dogecoin has plenty of growth ahead, and investing in Dogecoin is a smart decision for the long term. Therefore, it could be a good time to buy Dogecoin while the asset is performing very well. However, keep in mind that there are huge risks in cryptocurrency investments, and you could lose most of your money. Dogecoin is particularly highly volatile since it relies on social media hype and speculations. So, before you buy Dogecoin, make sure that you understand what you're getting yourself into. What are your thoughts about Dogecoin? Do you have any Dogecoins in your possession? Share your answers in the comment section below. Also, if you found our video informative, do like it and share it with your friends. Until next time, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel for all new updates coming up.